Before you replace a Ford Escape battery, here's what it actually takes to do the job.
It clearly says, use puller. Start with a screwdriver. This battery cover, all you gotta do is pull up on this thing, and it pops out. A couple of clips that hold it in. Bracket comes out nice and easy. Let's remove the negative first. Same thing with the positive. Yeah, so that's the right way. Groove on this side, flat side on that side. To prevent corrosion, I use this. The battery cover can go back on. All those clips are along this edge right here. There we go. And just push them on. That's all it takes. So you've got this spline shaft that's coming up out of the engine bay. The problem is, right now, you don't know what angle that shaft is on. To sync the wiper motors, all you need to do is don't put your foot on the brake, so no foot on the brake, and just turn it to the on-run position. The second button, so that's on-run. Take the wipers and turn them on. Turn it like that. Turn it like that. Push that straight down on there, like that. Here's what it looks like in the range over here. So there's the lower part of the range. Snap the cap back on. This is the left-hand arm, upper eye on there. You want to center the wiper blade in that.